iPhone 16. Everything you need to know. Today we're diving deep into the iPhone 16. Apple just announced this new device, and there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started. Display first up. Let's talk about the display. The iPhone 16 features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. It's slightly larger than its predecessor and has thinner bezels, giving you more screen real estate. While it doesn't have promotion for a higher refresh rate, the display is still incredibly sharp and vibrant. Camera. The camera system on the iPhone 16 is a major upgrade. The main camera is now 48 megapixels, which is a huge leap from the previous generation. It also has a wider aperture, allowing for better low-light performance. The ultra-wide camera is also improved, with a higher resolution and better image quality. One of the new features that I'm really excited about is Action Mode. This allows you to capture smooth and stable videos even when you're moving. It's perfect for action shots or vlogging. Battery. Apple has improved the battery life on the iPhone 16. You can expect to get up to 24 hours of battery life on a single charge. That's a significant improvement over the previous model. Software. The iPhone 16 comes with iOS 18. This latest version of iOS brings a lot of new features, including Dynamic Island, Always-On Display, and Promotion. Dynamic Island is a new way to interact with notifications and apps on your iPhone. Always-On Display allows you to see essential information at a glance without having to wake up your iPhone. And Promotion provides a smoother and more responsive scrolling experience. Pricing and availability. The iPhone 16 starts at $899 for the 128GB model. You can pre-order it starting September 22nd, and it will start shipping on September 29th. The iPhone 16 is a solid upgrade over its predecessor. The improved camera system, longer battery life, and new software features make it a compelling choice for anyone looking to upgrade their iPhone. What do you think of the iPhone 16? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and news.